Hi everyone, welcome to this week's workout. Today we're going to do a combo HIIT back and chest workout. So we're going to do 30 seconds of the exercise and then 30 seconds of active rest. And you'll need no equipment. So let's get started. So we'll warm it up just for a couple minutes. We'll do some chest openers. So just start by taking the hands out in front, alternating forearm over forearm here. And really weight into your heels. We're gonna open up our chest so that when we get to the back exercises, the chest muscles are expanded and we can really fire up the back. And then just take this time to regulate your breathing. So really focus on the exhale, hugging the belly in and up. We'll do it this way, just a few more seconds. Okay, and next one, we're gonna stretch a little more through our lats, the back, and we'll take the hands up, you can fold the elbows to the upper back, and we'll do that a few times. Perfect. Okay, so next one, straight arms now, taking it up and down. Still trying to keep your lower ribs anchored a little bit, so not thrusting them forward too much for this warm-up stretch. Okay, so we're gonna start just a light side-to-side jog, shake it out. So we're gonna do active rests like this, or you can just do some toe taps. You can do whatever you like, just a gentle movement in between the exercises. So just shaking it out. We're gonna start with push-ups because it's about the chest and back. So we gotta do our push-ups. 10 more seconds of this. Okay, so take it down to the floor. Regular push-ups, here we go. Knees or toes. You can always do it this way or take it up. Use that breath, exhale, push away, inhale down, push away. Knees are totally fine. You can go to those knees. All right, one down, so take it up. Whatever you like to do, the little skip. You can keep it higher if you want. You can do jacks, whatever works for you, but just keep the feet moving. Shake it out, prepping for the next exercise. We're gonna do a few for our back and then come back to the chest. A few more seconds of this one. Okay, so let's come down to the floor. These are reverse snow angels. Forehead to the floor, arms here. Squeeze. Feet are flat on the floor. Using that breath to carry you through. All right, so take it up. You can either come back to that light jog or just take this moment to stretch it out. Pull the shoulders down and back. Open up your chest. We're gonna do a bit more back. For most of us, we need more back work than chest work. It's great for our posture. So draw your shoulders down, hold here. And then we're gonna come up to standing. Soft knees, these are good mornings. So from here, we're just gonna lift it up, working the back. Open up the shoulders, pull the elbows back. Chin slightly tucked, holding here. Lifting up and then down. So working through our lower back here, little squeeze, and then down. Okay, perfect. So again, tap it out, shake it out. Jacks if you like, if you want to keep it up a little higher. We're going to do one more for the back, then come back to chest work. There you go. Okay, so you can start to take it down, Superman's. Both arms and legs lifting or alternating like so. Try it this way if you can. Squeezing everything. Perfect. Okay. Press it up. We're going to take it back and forward. Just a little bit of a rocking motion. Nothing too much. We're not going to come that far forward. We're just keeping the arms moving, shoulders stretching. We're going to come into push-ups next. A little bit different, the wide arm ones. Okay, so flatten out. As always, knees or toes, arms are wide, fingers out, push it up. Or onto the toes. You need that range though, you need to be able to get the chest down. These ones are hard. Push that floor away, exhale, push away. Perfect. And then just a little active rest for the arms, just swinging, opening up the chest, stretching. There you go. So for the next one, we're gonna do, they're called lat slides, but you actually need a floor where you can slide your body on. So if it doesn't work for you, you can come back and do the Superman, but I'll show you this one. Okay, out. So you're gonna try to pull your arms in and then back. Pull your hips to the wrists, like so. So we're working our lats all down the back, that V muscle. Quite a challenging move. Almost there. Whew. All right, perfect. So just take it up again. Little side to side, shake it out. Then we'll do another one for the back, on our back. Keeping the shoulders down and back, open it up through the front of the chest. Okay, so come down. These are elbow squeezes, so you're gonna draw your elbows in, lift your chest, take it back down. Push the forearms into the floor. Squeeze. Pull the shoulder blades towards each other. And there. Perfect. And then just take a moment, we're just gonna cross the legs, open up the arms, so stretch again, cross and open. Few more here. We're gonna do our Cobra for the back. You also get triceps as well. So come on to your front. We're gonna take it up, open shoulders, palms face out, and down. Perfect. Push it up again. Shake it out. So we're gonna do another variation of push-ups, so staggered ones. So you're gonna have one hand up, one hand down on the floor. A few more seconds. Okay, so let's take it down. Always, you can be on your knees. Right hand up, left hand points towards the hip. Here we go, push up, or toes. So a lot of shoulder work here too. Really use the breath to power through. And again, kneeling, just shake out the arms. We're gonna do the other side, left arm up, right arm back. Okay, so get in position, knees are fine. Right hand turned back, left hand forward, pushing up off the knees or the toes. And again. Woo, feeling this side. Almost there. There you go. Perfect, complete. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next week.